Evening folks, and welcome to my first update on my experiments with developing a patina on a bronze watch. So this is my bronze watch, which I haven't done anything to since I did my last video. I've been experimenting on the buckle. So here's the buckle. What I did with the buckle is I cleaned it up by immersing it in Diet Coca-Cola for about an hour, and that cleaned it up nicely. And at the end of that, it was looking something like this pin of the buckle, so nice and shiny and golden colour. And then since then, I've been having it in this bath of seawater, which I've been alternating sort of 12 hours in the water, 12 hours out of the water, and freshening up the water in between. And it's developed, well, as you can see, it's developed a matte colour compared to the shiny gold of the original bronze. Try and get that in focus. So it's developed a nice matte patina, but it has taken about a week to do that, so it's quite a slow process, even of accelerated patination. And the look I've decided I'm going to aim for is the sort of shipwreck look, so something that looks like it's been underwater for a long time. So I'm particularly interested in bringing out any spots of green and getting a sort of a coppery colour to the watch. Whereas what's happened naturally to this watch in air is it's very much going dark brown, which is the sort of thing you would see on, especially noticeable on the back there, the sort of thing that happens to bronze statues. But rather than having it look like a statue, because it's a sort of dive watch, I'd rather have it looking like it's been underwater for a while. So that's why I'm now going to aim for this marine type of patina. So what to do next? My big decision is, this one's taken quite a while to get it into this condition, and that might be something to do with the nature of the bronze that this watch is made of and the buckle. Quite a lot of normal bronze is made of an alloy of copper and tin. This particular bronze is an alloy of about 80% copper with aluminium, nickel and iron as the other alloyed metals in there. And that might be why it's keeping its sort of gold colour and not turning a sort of red colour or a coppery colour. So in order to address that, one of the other ways you can age bronze is using a sulfur treatment. And my source of sulfur is going to be an egg yolk. So this is a hard-boiled egg. And let's move that to one side. The idea of this technique is you get a plastic bag, you put your egg inside the plastic bag, you put your watch or watch part inside the plastic bag, seal it, and then you break the egg, but make sure that the egg doesn't go onto the watch part, because what you're hoping for is the gas, the sulfur gas from the egg yolk, to permeate the bag and cause a reaction on the metal of the bronze. So I suspect this might just cause it to go brown, so that's why I'm going to experiment trying this on the buckle. And if it does go brown, I'll probably have to bring it back to sort of new looking with the Coca-Cola treatment. I discovered during my research Coca-Cola's, or Diet Coke, has got a pH of 3.4, which compares to lemon juice, which has a pH of 2. It's not as acidic as lemon juice. But I found about an hour in a bath of Coca-Cola, cleaned it up quite nicely. So that's fast enough for me. So I'm going to do the egg treatment, and I shall give you an update, and we'll see how that one has gone. But in the meantime, I'm going to leave my watch as it is until I've developed a course of treatment that is going to get it to the look that I want. Anyway, I'm sure we'll go some other places on the way to that final end goal, but that's my update after the first week. Thank you for watching. Bye.